Strategy has deepened its Bitcoin commitment yet again, purchasing an additional 3,273 coins for roughly $255 million during the latest buying window. The Tyson's Corner-based business intelligence firm now holds an extraordinary 818,334 Bitcoin across its corporate treasury. That massive stockpile is currently valued at approximately $63.7 billion based on prevailing market rates. In a striking statistic, Strategy alone now controls roughly 3.9% of Bitcoin's entire fixed supply cap of 21 million coins, further tightening available float. The acquisition underscores unwavering institutional appetite, even as Bitcoin trades near $76,702, marking a 1.7% decline over the past 24 hours. Ether has also retreated, falling 2.7% to $2,287. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index reads 47, reflecting neutral trader sentiment even as corporate accumulation reaches historic proportions. The Litecoin network executed a rare blockchain rollback this weekend after a critical software bug allowed an unknown attacker to illegitimately transfer digital assets. In response, developers rewrote a portion of the chain's transaction history to erase the fraudulent activity, a drastic intervention that shatters the usual promise of immutability on established proof-of-work networks. The incident has sent shockwaves through the community, sparking serious concerns among holders about protocol security and whether the network can guarantee censorship-resistant finality going forward. During the emergency response, the Litecoin team published several confusing updates across social media, later issuing a formal apology for the muddled communications, while engineers raced to deploy a permanent software patch. Officials stressed that the exploit was contained within hours, noting that no legitimate user funds were touched beyond the attacker's reverse transactions, though holder trust remains visibly fractured. Industry observers warn that such historic rollbacks inflict lasting reputational damage, serving as a stark reminder that even decade-old blockchains remain vulnerable to catastrophic, undiscovered code flaws. Crude oil prices surged past $102 per barrel on Monday as tensions between the United States and Iran escalated sharply, with Tehran threatening a blockade of the Strait of Hormuz and stoking fears of a severe supply crunch. The heightened geopolitical risk and simultaneous spike in energy costs rippled through global markets, weighing heavily on risk assets and prompting investors to trim exposure to cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, which had been attempting to extend its recent rally, pulled back towards $76,702, dropping roughly 1.7% over the past 24 hours. Ethereum also retreated, falling 2.7% to trade near $2,287 as broad risk-off sentiment took hold across digital asset markets. Meanwhile, the token M emerged as the day's biggest notable mover, plunging 11.4% amid a sharp reversal in momentum. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index held steady at 47, reflecting neutral sentiment even as traders brace for further volatility tied to the unfolding Middle East crisis.